Liebe Begins. Makeup video. Welcome back to my channel Lifestyle. Friends, today I am discussing a new brand perfume which is in front of you. Here I open this and show you what's its name. You can see here. Now I am opening this. You can see instruction below the perfume here. Let's see how's its bottle. This is from day before EDU Paris. Here its bottle. Bottle is very nice, looking so awesome. Now I am testing this. Its cap is very nice. So friends, here I am starting testing right now. इसकी खुशबू बहुत अच्छी है, ये आप देख सकते हैं. इस तरह की बोतल है और ये इसकी टाइट सी कैप. सो फ्रेंड्स, ये एक न्यू फ्रेग्रेंस है. Fragrance remind you all the day fresh. So friends, if you like my channel, let me know comment section below, and please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.